this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error 400. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is first close the YouTube app, swipe up, then remove the YouTube app from existing apps, then relaunch it. Next up, clear cache for the YouTube. Launch settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage, find YouTube and launch it. Click on offload app, confirm it. If you're using Android, press and hold on the YouTube app, select the option app info, click on the option storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. You should also check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a VPN, disable it and try again. Next, restart your phone and open YouTube once more. In most cases, these steps will fix YouTube error 400 and get the app working normally again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.